This is the package I sent today, that I received today from you guys from UPS. It is something that I canceled before about a week ago. They still sent it to my home, and it came all messed up with oil over the place. I already bought something with your company. I didn't want this one, so I'm trying to print the label to be able to see if I can actually send it back. I have a problem with this, so make sure that the driver don't bring packages like this all messed up with oil. Smell pretty bad. Thank you so much.